Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove vocals from any song for absolutely free. So yeah, let's get started. This is actually pretty impressive that it works that well and it is for free. So yeah, all you need to have is a song and yeah, you can just do it. So yeah, okay, there are two settings. There's the 2-stem model and the 5-stem model. The 5-stem model is drums, bass line, piano, and some others, and vocals. And the 2-stem model is just all the instrumentals plus the vocals. And if you just want to remove the vocals from a song, yeah, just click on this one. And you can either click or drag and drop a file. Now I'm gonna drag and drop one. And although, as I said, it is free, they will ask for donations, but you can just ignore that if you want to. And it says we're working on it. This shouldn't take more than a minute. And yeah, depending on the length of your song, this might take some more time than a minute. But oh, it's already done. And once it's done, you can just click on My Uploads. And as you can see, I tested it before, so that's why there's two, but for you it should only be one, and it will expire in a day. Or you just can just click on download and then click on download again, and there it is. You can show it in the folder, open it up. Unfortunately it is a zip file though, but yeah, you can just easily extract it and open it up yourself. It's not that hard. And yeah, right here you have like this, the instrumental and the vocals. And I'm just gonna play the original song real quick.
Walking in the sand like nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to write you a song.
As you can hear, that's the original. Now I'm gonna play only the vocals.
Walking in the sand like nothing's
As you can hear, there's no instrumentals, and this is only the instrumentals. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.